Do you have one of these Panasonic exhaust fans where the light flickers or it's dim or it just needs new bulbs often? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how can you replace the two fluorescent light bulbs inside and replace them with long-lasting LED. I'm going to put a link in the video description below for the exact bulbs that I used, as well as a diagram on how I bypass the ballast, which is important to look at. The LED bulb should last 5 or 10 times longer. They're much brighter, they have great color temperature, and it does not flicker at all. First, you're going to want to pull down the plastic cover to expose the bulbs and check that you have the same kind that we're speaking about here. This is a Panasonic Whisperlite, which is very popular. The model number is FV-LP003. Pressing in on the two metal pieces of the wire will allow you to release the fan cover. Go ahead and turn off the circuit breaker to the fan just to be extra safe. But we're not going to be removing the fan. We're only going to remove the light housing section, which is held in place by 3 or 4 Phillips screws. Once the screws are removed, there is a plastic plug where you can press and pull it out to unconnect the light from the fan. Because we're switching from fluorescent light bulbs, which require a ballast, to LED, we need to bypass the ballast. We're going to do this by cutting off the wires to the ballast and wire them directly back in place. This allows the new bulbs to receive 120 volts. Make sure you reference the diagram in the video description below if you need any extra help here. Leave plenty of length in your wires so that the plug sticks out at least this much, because you'll need to plug it back in. Once all that's done, shove all the wires back in place and secure the top plate. Now we can screw the light housing back in place and plug in the electric plug. And then these are the LED bulbs that I purchased. Now it's time to reinstall the outer cover here by pressing the two metal clips, and they'll slide back in place. And it goes on very easy. All right, that's the end of this video. If you found this useful, please give us a like and a subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.